In this video, you'll prepare and send an email. As a way to practice using Gmail, you will write an email inviting people to your celebration. Remember, it's okay if you don't have a real celebration to invite people to. Make one up or just copy what is written in the example email in the video. To start writing your email, click on the Compose an Email icon, which looks like a small pencil or plus sign. A new blank email will appear on your screen. At the top of the email, you'll see the To field. This is where you type in the email address of the person you're sending the email to. For the sake of this lesson, you'll send the email to yourself, so you can see what it's like to send and receive an email. The email address needs to be exact in order for your email to go to the right person. Since you are going to send the email to yourself, type your own email address into the To field. If you're going to send an email to more than one person, you would type a comma and a space after each email address. Now type in the subject line. A subject line is like the title of an email. It should give the reader some idea of what the email is about. Now, click the larger blank portion of the email. This is where you'll type your message. Type a message inviting people to your celebration. Type 2 or 3 sentences explaining what, when, and where your celebration will be. Every time you start a new email, Gmail automatically saves it as a draft. If you don't send your email, you'll be able to find it by clicking Drafts on the left side of your screen. Saved drafts allow you to take your time writing an email, give yourself a chance to proofread it before sending, or add more details later. Click Send, and your email will be sent to the email address you entered earlier in this lesson. You can see the emails you've already sent by clicking on Sent on the left side of your screen. Now it's your turn. Click the Compose Email icon. Type in your email address and subject line. Write your email and click Send. Then click Next to watch the next video.